I'm going to show you how to do the wireless setup. So that is the Wi-Fi setup of the printer. Now the first step is to switch on the printer. So press the power button. Now you can do the Wi-Fi or the wireless setup using Android phone, iPhone, laptop or any computer. So I'll show you the steps you want to do. So go to the display panel of your printer. Now on the display panel, once your printer is on, we need to enter this printer into the setup mode. For that we need to press and hold the cancel button, which is the top button with the red mark, red cross on that, and the wireless button. So do it together for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Now we release it. You will see the power button starts to flash, and after some time it will stop flashing and it will stay on. And the blue light, which is the wireless light here, that will start to flash. That means your printer has entered into the setup mode. So go to your Windows 10 laptop or computer and download the HP Smart app from the App Store. And once you download it, we have to open that app. So in the HP Smart app, we have to add the printer. So as you can see, there is a plus button here on this corner here. And that's the plus button. So just click on that. And on the next screen, it will show up the printer here, that is DeskJet 2600 series. So just click on that and it will start the setup process. So click on continue. Now click on continue again and check if this is the correct name of the Wi-Fi network of your home, because the printer will connect there. And if that is the correct one, just click on continue. It will automatically enter the password for you and then it will start the connection with the Wi-Fi network. So the whole process might take some time, so you just have to wait for that. So in the end you will see it says printer connected to the Wi-Fi. So just click on the continue button and it will ask you some details which you have to fill so that your printer is properly installed. Now it will ask you if you want HP instant ink, and you can just have to click continue. Here you can say no instant ink, or you can select the plan as you want and click on continue again. You need to enter the postcode where you want to use this printer and then click on continue. You can also send the link if you want it, or you can skip it. So here it says setup is complete, and this is the welcome sheet which we can print here. So just to check if the printer is working, so click it and it will give you option. So once you click there, it will show you all the details. Now select the printer from the top list here. So that is the name of the printer, and click on the print button and wait for the printer to print the page. With the Windows 10 laptop, you can use it for wireless printing and scanning. Thanks for watching.